Hello friends of How to Grow from Seed. Today I want to show you how you can grow roses from seeds. Let's do this. Okay, so how do we start? You need to look for the right rose hip. The red hip is the one that is ripe enough to have seeds that are pollinated. They will actually produce a plant. Choose your hip and chop it from the plant. Once you have your rose hip, cut it in two and dig out the seeds in the way shown in the video. These are the rose seeds. Now you just need to sow them in a pot. I really hope that this video helped you to grow roses from seed. Till the next one. Ciao.